Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. How about trying a no-bake pizza today? So let's see how to make a simple chicken tikka pan pizza. And here I'm making a no-yeast pizza base. So let's take 1 cup all-purpose flour, one cup whole wheat flour. Instead of that, you can use 2 cups of all-purpose flour or 2 cups of wheat flour. Into that, add in some baking powder, baking soda, some sugar, salt, and mix all these dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add half a cup of yogurt into it. Give it a mix, add enough water and make this into a dough. Sprinkle some flour, take the dough onto the countertop and knead it really well. Once it turns soft, transfer that onto the bowl, add some oil on top and let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make the chicken. Let's marinate the chicken with some turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, and some crushed garlic. Add some yogurt and mix it really well. Keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes and then heat a pan, add some oil and fry it. When all the chicken pieces gets cooked and nicely fried, turn off the flame. Now let's make the pizza base. So take the dough and divide it into different portions according to the size of the pizza you required. So if you are making a mini pizza, you can divide it into 4 portions and start rolling. Don't roll it too thin, even though it will puff up slightly while cooking. Now let's prepare the pan to make the pizza. Add some oil and spread it. Cut out the dough into a perfect round shape. Slowly transfer it onto the pan. Keep the flame from low to medium and cook this till you get a brown shade at the bottom. Now flip it. Add the pizza sauce on top. I have uploaded a homemade pizza sauce recipe in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. Now add some mozzarella cheese on top, some veggies like bell peppers, onion, olives. You can also add some corn. I've also added the fried chicken, some more cheese on top, and cover it and cook till the cheese gets melted. Keep the flame in between low to medium and check the base. If it turns to a brown shade, turn off the flame, and that's it. Our simple and easy pan pizza is ready. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.